How to pick your location on Life360 without anyone knowing. Now, it may have a different process depending on what device you're using, if you are on Android or if you are in iOS. But let's say you were in iOS, you would go ahead into your cellular data or something like your mobile networks. Go to your settings for your data and make sure you are on low data mode. That way, it will pretty much stop showing your location while just being on low data mode. And most of the background apps, when you're on it, probably won't work properly or won't function since it is at this point sort of disabled. Another thing you can do for your Android this time, since if you want it to be discreet, avoid of course turning off your location services since that will show. One thing you can try though is battery saver over here. That is almost one way you can do it. It is a little bit discreet and a bit more normal to do instead of just directly turning off your locations. So just avoid disabling your precise locations or leaving your Life360 circle or stopping your background location access on iPhone or Android, since that is a bit more suspicious instead of the normal procedures on how your Life360 has stopped showing your more precise location. Of course, you could turn your phone off if you want, but that is another thing you can try. But those are a few options you can do if you want to do this. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.